In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove related products WooCommerce. If you've ever scrolled down a product page and seen a strip of items labeled related products, that's WooCommerce trying to suggest items that share the same categories or tags. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple way to stop that from showing by adjusting the product's categorization. We'll do everything right inside your WordPress dashboard, and I'll point out what to look for along the way. Start by opening your WordPress website and signing into the dashboard. From the left menu, go to Plugins. If you don't already have WooCommerce installed, search for WooCommerce, then install and activate it. This ensures you have the product settings and catalog features available. If WooCommerce is already active on your site, you're good to go. Next, head to Products in the left menu. Find the specific product where you want to remove the Related Products section and click Edit. This opens the product editor where all the details live, including title, price, images, and, most importantly for us, categories. Scroll to the Product Categories box on the right side. Here's the key idea. WooCommerce shows related items based on shared categories and tags. By adjusting the category for this product to one that other products do not share, the Related Products area won't have anything to display. For example, you can select a category like jewelry if this product is the only one you've placed there. If no other active products share that same category or tags, the Related Products section won't appear under this item. After selecting the category you want to use for this product, click Update at the top right to save your changes. Once it saves, view the product on the front end of your site. Scroll down to where the Related Products section would normally show. If this product is now isolated by its category and tags, you should no longer see related items listed there. A quick troubleshooting note. If related products are still showing, double-check that this product doesn't share any other categories or tags with items in your store. Removing shared associations ensures WooCommerce has nothing to match against for related items. That's it. By opening your WordPress site, making sure WooCommerce is active, editing your product, and assigning it a category that isn't shared, you'll prevent related products from appearing on that page. And if you ever want to bring them back, just place the product into a category that other items share and update again.